Well, I was ready to offer 900 quid for this caravan until I stepped inside. Morning. Today could be a special day. We're heading to Yeovil to look at what could be our first caravan. Well, they're asking 1,000 for the caravan, but I'm going to offer 900 quid. Now, it looked great in the pictures, but as you know, pictures don't always tell the full story. Yeah, we've also had a tow bar fitted to the car, ready for the caravan, and that cost us £300. So all we need to do now is find the right caravan. Easy said and done, eh?
Let's go!
Yeah, so we're travelling up to Yeovil today. The journey is about 26 miles and it's clear blue skies and sunshine. All we're going to put up with a bit of holiday traffic as it is August. Well, we're on our way to Yeovil now to have a look at a caravan we've seen online. From the photos it looks really nice, but as everyone says, pictures don't always tell the whole story. But we've never owned a caravan before, so this is all new to us. We're hoping it's in good condition, and if everything checks out, we might be bringing it home today. Well, I've never towed a caravan before. This is my first time, so hopefully everything goes all right if we're bringing it back today. Well, the wife knows more about caravans than I do. I know bugger all about caravans. I never had one. And the people we're buying it off, it's their first caravan as well, so hopefully they'll give us some good advice on when we get our caravan. Well, my wife's not too keen on being on camera, so it's going to be mainly me doing the filming today. The whole YouTube thing to her is definitely not her thing, so it's going to be me doing the filming and giving all the info out today. Well, some people told me there's a few things to look out for, like damp around the windows, holes in the floor, wheel bearings and things like that, but leave a message in the comments if there's any other things that I should be looking out for on our first caravan. So hopefully if it's the right caravan, we'll be bringing it back today. If it's not, the search continues. Right, there's the signs to Yeovil. Unfortunately it's on the other side of Yeovil, so we're going to have to take probably a little bit longer to get there. Depends on the traffic, holiday traffic. Well, it's going to be our first caravan. The people we're buying off, it's their first caravan too, and hopefully that can pass all their experience on to us, since we're going to be first time caravanners as well. Yep, right, we're on our way. Yeovil 20 miles. Well, we've been looking at quite a few caravans online, so hopefully this one as good as it looks. You never really know what you're going to find until you see it in person. Anyway, we're trying to take our time and not to rush buying our first one. This is all new to us, so we're learning as we go. We've checked a few things we want to check before making a decision, so fingers crossed it's all being well looked after. If this isn't the right one, we just keep looking until we find the right one. The journey from Weymouth to Yeovil isn't too bad, so we thought it'd be definitely worth coming to have a look. It's exciting because it's been the start of a whole new adventure for us. Whether we buy it or not, we'll let you know exactly what we think. Anyway, we dumped a Benidorm this year for to buying a caravan and have some days out in the UK. So we'll soon find out. And say being stuck at the airport, doesn't it, for hours? So we've never owned a caravan before, so we're hoping it's going to be in good condition. That's if we buy it. So stay tuned to see what happens. The wife knows more than me about caravans. I'm just learning. Don't know bugger all about caravans. Never had one. Still coming up to coming into Yeovil now. Up by the Yeovil famous car boot, if anyone knows it. That looks busy down there. Yeah, we're just a couple of minutes away from it now. Yeah. Onto Lloyd Road.
And then we're going to turn off this in a bit. Yeah, that's it.
Runnymede Road.
Yeah,
Runnymede.
Then we're going to turn right again in a minute.
Oh, the Union Jack out there, look.
That one.
Just here.
Yeah.
Lower Fairfield Road.
Fairmead, yeah.
Fairmead.
Keep going.
Right, just approaching it now, coming up, everyone. I'm not sure. You see a Caravan, that's the one.
Yeah.
Lovely car there. I don't like minis, but that one looks nice. Lower Fairmead.
Yeah.
There it is that it?
No, it's not that one, it's the one next door to it.
I was going to say, that's a lovely one, that is. I
Yeah.
thought that was it, everyone. Oh.
No, it's that one.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
It looks alright, doesn't it? Just pull in there then. Fucking small, isn't it?
It's only 2 birth, darling.
No, you ain't going to open your legs wide in that one.
Oh, shut up. Shut
You
up.
carry on. Yeah, we're finally here at the Caravan, and hopefully we're going to have a look inside it now and see what it's like. Caravan there. It's a smaller sort of Caravan, but it looks alright, and we'll have a look inside it in a minute. Yeah, so there's the Caravan for you at the front of it. We'll have a look inside it in a minute and see what it's like. Expression. Yeah, so have a look inside in a minute when I'm getting. Have a look. Yeah, so there's the back of it. I'm not sure if Mrs. is overly keen on it, but like I say, we've got to find storage for it yet. And
that's why I bought it.
so we'll see. Yeah, so
Yeah, you can
there's
get
a little table there, back window. See,
Light enough that, you know, we
looks
yeah,
alright.
it's a
And
really
from the
long
back
run.
window,
It's only
going round,
50.
got it the cooker there. Obviously the toilet's just over there.
It's not even a tip as far as
And you got cupboards at the top, all the way around. Little lights.
my mum lets me
And yeah, lights on the ceiling.
Yeah, I live around the corner.
And
My mum lets her keep
it looks
on
quite
the drive.
nice.
But yeah,
There
it's
you
a,
go.
but yeah, I don't know. It's not even a tip as far as I'm aware.
And round here.
We don't know enough, really. We was just like, oh,
There's a sink area.
Yeah, above front window.
I bet she
And
will, yeah.
toilet area there, shower. I think you've already got that over there. So, as you can see, I'm sitting down in the Caravan here. It's quite comfortable, really.
So many of them.
Happy holidays, everyone. There was one part of the Caravan I didn't actually film while we were there, and that was the floor by the entrance. Now, I'm using a friend's Caravan just to show you roughly where the problem was. Around this area, the floor was left soft underfoot, as I didn't press record on my camera at the time. Yeah, so this is the Caravan. I was a little bit shocked from the floor. It feels like it's a bit soft here, so at some stage it's had a leak and a little bit of a lump here, so I'm not really sure. There could be problems with this Caravan, I'm not sure. So I don't really know. Really, it may be a no-no on this Caravan, I don't know, but it feels a bit soft here at the beginning of it. But we'll soon see. We'll see what the blokes say. Yeah, well, we've looked at the Caravan, and today there was a couple of issues that concerned me. That for one, it wasn't particularly clean. I know it ain't going to be perfect by any means. Two, the bathroom and toilet were all in one. We already knew that, but it was a little bit small. We'd probably go for something with the shower separate from the toilet. And three, the major issue was at the entrance of the Caravan was there was a little hump in the floor, and it sort of felt a little bit uneasy. I'm not sure whether I've had a leak, I'm not saying that, but it could have happened. I don't know what happened. But those are the three issues, but apart from that, it wasn't too bad. But on this occasion, it's definitely a no-no on this Caravan. But hopefully the search continues for the next Caravan that comes along. Hopefully it'll be the right one. Well, if you enjoyed the video today, please like, subscribe, support the channel, give us a thumbs up, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Leave a message down in the comments if any info would help us. Much appreciated, and I'll catch you all in part 2 where the search continues for our first caravan.